Hey guys, here to show you a couple of quick things about HTML and CSS to get you going on building your first website. Just building web pages isn't nearly as difficult as people think it is. They just have to put in the time to learn the material to get going. So I just made a quick file here, my project. I'm going to right click it, open it with Sublime Text, and this is what's in the file. Mind you, I put that in there before the video. And what each of these is this doc type HTML. That's to tell the browser how it should load the page and what to expect. This is going to be this HTML tag are the parts that are HTML. You could have something that's, I don't know, maybe something else there. Um, this head part is actually a part that you don't really see as the user browsing a web page. This is mostly to tell the browser what needs to be loaded and when, what files are needed. However, there is one exception to that of the user not seeing it, and that's the title tag. And that's one of the things that the user actually does see. And an example of this is let's start with I like titles. Save that. And let's open this with Chrome. And you see here how it says I like titles. I can change this to I like turtles. Reload this, and it says I like turtles. So that's one thing the user does see. You can change this little paper thing to whatever icon you want. I'm going to get into that at a later time. Just keeping it to the basics right now. And so this body part, this is the important part. This is the part that you see when you're browsing the page. Most likely, almost everything you're seeing is between these body tags. And the first thing I want to show you how to use are the header elements. And what those are like this. So to open and close an HTML tag, you start it with these bracket arrow things, and you close it with the same thing, except you just add a slash before it. And now I'm gonna write I love candy, because I do love candy. I love candy. See how it's nice and big there? Now, mind you, there are 6 different levels of the header you can use. So if we want to do H3, if we want to make it smaller, because that's what it's going to do. It's going to make it smaller. It's a bit counterintuitive, but you get it. Hello world. So what kind of starting tutorial doesn't have hello world in it? And reload the page. Bam! You get it. Hello world. And now, mind you, this goes all the way to H6. So we could do, let's see, H5. Let's close that. And we're going to say, hello, blanket. Oh, yeah, I have to buy Sublime Text. Okay, hello, blanket. And so, yeah, so you see how the header tags change as you go up the numbers. As you go up, the font gets smaller. And so another important tag I want to show you is the paragraph tag. And what this does is it tells the browser, hey, we're starting a new block of information. I want to start on a new line. This paragraph is not very long. You see, this paragraph is not very long. And so even if I place this paragraph right here, it's still going to start on its own line. And now that's also true for the header. For the headers too. If we put these next to each other, oops. Well, if we put these next to each other, they're also going to start on a new line. See that? just the paragraph is more for general text, whereas the headers are there to sort of I don't know, make a special note of something. And that is in the end of the first basic tutorial. I'm going to start another one right now. Thanks for watching.